Load your family into the 2010 Audi Q5. Under the hood, you'll find a 6-cylinder engine with more than 270 horsepower. And for added security, Dynamic Stability Control supplements the drivetrain. Audi prioritized practicality, efficiency, and style by including leather upholstery, power trunk closing assist, front and rear reading lights, a power seat, turn signal indicator mirrors, remote keyless entry, and a split folding rear seat. Audi also prioritized safety and security by including dual front impact airbags, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. You'll never lose visibility with rain-sensing wipers, which activate automatically when the drops start to fall. A Carfax history report provides you peace of mind by detailing information related to past owners and service records. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.